show this new shaker table design. It's an 18 by 36 inch size table. And what we're going to do real quick is we're going to take some, got a couple BBs that are in here, a couple old rusty BBs, and some small pieces of lead shaving. And we're going to put on the table and show you how this thing works real quick. Here we go. Here. Right now we're doing this as a dry run, so the water's turned off. So we're just going to sit these on there real quick. And these BBs are probably a little bit too big for the shaker table. This is probably a size you would never run. But just to show kind of what they do and where they end up. Over here we have our gold lines. We have a top gold line, and then we have more of a bottom, maybe a middling type of gold line. And we're just going to put these, we're going to put these two containers here just to catch most of everything that comes off. So right now you can already tell that the lead is slowly beginning to work its way over. The BBs are just kind of hanging around. Once again, probably a little bit too big to run on this table. Plus being round makes it a little bit harder for them to move across versus something that's in regular shape. Now we're going to turn this table up. And you can really see that lead moving. We can already see that some of the lead is